this video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp lagging or freezing on iPhone. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to close your WhatsApp, and then you can restart WhatsApp and then see if your problem is solved. If it still isn't solved, then go ahead over to your App Store and in here type in WhatsApp, click on WhatsApp at the top, and right now see if there is an update. And if there is an update, go ahead and click on Update. This is the same on App Store and Google Play Store. Just update your WhatsApp to the latest version because this will often solve bugs and fix problems like that. So go ahead and do this and then try to restart your WhatsApp and see if the problem still occurs. If you have that done and it still doesn't work, then you can do this next thing, and that is by going over to your settings, clicking on General and something that's saying Storage. When you are in your storage, scroll down, go to WhatsApp, and then click on Offload App. So this will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data, and this is a way to restore the app from inside. So you can try this, and then you can open WhatsApp again, and if it still doesn't work, then you can also delete WhatsApp and then download it again from your Google Play or your App Store. What you also can do is try to restart your phone, so turn it off and turn it on, and then try if it works. An additional thing that you can do is going over to your storage and clear up some storage. There should always be around 10 gigabytes available for your phone to run smoothly, and especially with WhatsApp. So I hope this tips helped you out. If so, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and thank you for watching.